Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can save battery on Android device. So let's start from the obvious things. Try to decrease the screen brightness. You can also enable the adaptive brightness by opening the settings. Then go to the display and look for the adaptive brightness. Now just switch it on. You can also try to enable the battery saver in the top menu, but if you don't using it, try to enable the dark theme. So go to the display settings and enable the dark theme. In the next step, try to turn off the keyboard sound and haptics. So open the keyboard by any text field. And click on the settings icon. Go to the preferences, look for the sound on key press, disable it, and disable also haptic feedback. In the next step, try to find the apps that draining your battery. So open the battery section, go to the battery usage, check which app taking your battery, and remember to switch it off from the background apps. You can also turn on, in the most phone, the super battery saver. So you can switch it on here. If you want to maximize the battery saver, turn on also the flight mode. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.